Hello friends, in this particular video we understand HTML list elements.
A list is a record of short pieces of related information or used to display the data or any information on web pages in the ordered or unordered form. For instance, to purchase the items, we need to prepare a list that can either be ordered or unordered list, which helps us to organize the data and easy to find the item. Please refer to the HTML type attribute article for the various types of attributes that can be used with the ordered and unordered list. HTML lists come in 3 basic flavors and each one has a specific implementation. Unordered list, ordered list, description list. Let us see each of them in detail. Unordered list. In HTML, it is also possible to nest lists into different levels. An unordered list starts with the ul tag. Each list item starts with the li tag. The list items are marked with bullets i.e small black circles by default.
See this example and understand. Unordered list. Here we write ul means unordered list. In unordered list we write list elements like India Moon YouTube and Gaurav Tripathi, and then save it and click on Live Server. We see output in my Chrome web browser.